Today we're going to configure a Revit MCP server. MCP, or Model Context Protocol, allows AI agents like Claude to interact with various software programs. We're going to use the Sparks Fire fork, which adds compatibility for Revit 2026 and gives Claude some additional tools. The Revit MCP server is especially cool because it's a glimpse into what it looks like to have AI help build things in the real world. Before we start, please ensure you've installed Node.js and Revit 2026. Once you're done, we're going to go over to GitHub and get a copy of the Revit MCP plugin and command set. The plugin will listen for commands from the MCP server and invokes the command set to perform actions inside of Revit. You can download a package containing both the plugin and the command set from the Sparks Fire Revit MCP releases page. When the download is complete, extract the contents of the zip and copy the files to app data, roaming, Autodesk, Revit, add-ins 2026. Once you've copied the files to the Revit add-ins directory, open Revit and confirm that you want the plugin to load. Create a new project and add the command set to the plugin. Click the Save button and then click the X to close the window. Click the Revit MCP switch to start the plugin server. Save the project to a folder and remember the path, as we'll need that to finish the MCP connection. Now it's time to install the MCP server. We're going to be using Claude Code today, but you can find directions on how to configure other MCP clients in the link in the video description. First, open the terminal. Use the cd command to navigate to your Revit project folder. Now, type Claude MCP add revit-mcp -npx at sparksfire/Revit MCP. If you're on Windows, you'll need to wrap this with cmd/c. Start Claude and type /mcp to verify the connection. Ask Claude to test the connection. All right, on that note, it's time to build. Happy building.